they do, and now I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get...
Oh boy. Welcome back again on the BETONG Crypto. Today, I want us to analyze the market to see whether we have come to the end of this dip. Is this the end of this dip? I don't think anyone saw this coming. Like, even if you are the so-called crypto guru, you're like you know so much in the market or about the market. I don't think you saw this coming. No one saw this coming. You can know this by looking at videos before the dip and videos after the dip. Okay, everyone like, oh, maybe this is just something small. But the market makers, whenever they want to take the market to the level where they want it to be, they don't care about you. They don't care about your feelings. That's why you need to be able to have a strategy that helps you to make money long term. The way I go about the market is this. I make sure I have at least most of my asset in Bitcoin or Ethereum. This time around, I had about 50% in Bitcoin, and I was exposed like half of my portfolio was exposed to the old market, and I took a huge hit. But the first hit, it was okay. This day, still okay. Today, okay. What's going on? But I think we have come to an end of this dip. We should start looking at possible reversal. This weekend might be an amazing weekend for crypto for you guys, your altcoins. If say you had some USDT aside like or Bitcoin, or you are part of my community and you have been applying the way I educate you guys on how you go about the market, then it's okay. It's okay because this short dip is nothing. The future is up, 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 up. We are looking about 100x, 10x, 1000% gains for most of these altcoins. So if you are experiencing this minor dip, it's nothing. I was there the whole bear market. I was there since 2020. I'm still here, right? Made money, lose money. We are still here because we are here forever. We are not going anywhere. Crypto is here to stay. If you are joining me here on this channel for the first time, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. Yeah, we create content to help you understand market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, when to take out profit. And not only that, I have an amazing community where I share what you are interested in such community. Then make sure you hit the description of this video to find the link to join my VIP community. You can also be part of my free Telegram community. The links are below this video. Having said all this good stuff, let's get into the market. Let's see what is going on here with this. Oh boy, the crypto market is down 7%, 7.31%. This is huge, but this was coming, guys. Look, the fear and greed index showed us that this was coming because I mean, if we look at the data in the past, it was oversold or too much greed in the market, right? And when there's too much greed in the market, you need to start thinking of cashing out profit. But there's one caveat here, guys. Look at this liquidation heat map. It shows us that we might still hit 110K or 112K for Bitcoin. Looking at this structure now for the next 3 days, meaning this weekend might be an amazing weekend. So I'm going to show you guys on the chart what we need to see happen with Bitcoin before we can confirm that this move is the actual reversal to take the market back to the next high. But it wouldn't be that simple. It wouldn't be something that's going to happen instantly. We still have some time. We still have much time to, because this dip was so huge. So we need some time for the market to play out again, to break the structure that price that was creating during the downward movement. And if say we get to those key levels, I'm going to show you guys the key levels. If say we get to those key levels, that's when we're going to start thinking of maybe we sell a little bit and wait for a break of structure until we see a complete trend reversal before we can confirm that we are back in like 100% confirmed. But right now, I'm just saying this because of the reversal. My audio is okay. My audio is fine. I think if say you are not, my audio is very well. I can see it. If say you are watching and my audio is okay, you can type one that my audio is okay. But I can feel that my audio is fine from where I am right now. You know. So if you can hear me, guys, if you are watching me on, you can hear me. Just comment that you can hear me, so I know you can hear me. Okay. But I can see from my screen that my audio is good. Now, let's see on the liquidation heat map today for the next 24 hours what might happen for Bitcoin or with the price of Bitcoin. Let's see the levels where Bitcoin can go to. Okay, you can see we can hit $102,000 for Bitcoin and we can still hit $105,000 for Bitcoin. Let's see for the next 12 hours what might happen before we go to the chart to see what is going on there. Yeah, we can hit $101 for the $101,000. Yeah, $101,000 for the next 12 hours, and we can still go right down to 90K. So these are the possibilities for the next 12 hours. We can go right down to 90K, and at the same time, we can go right up to 99 or 101,000. But let's stick on the 3 days time frame, or we can still look at the next 7 days to see if say this align, because mostly my analysis is more on higher time frame, like I do my analysis on the weekly time frame. So looking at this structure, I think this is the target. I mean, this is a proper chart we should be looking at, and the target is $110,000 to $112,000 for the next 7 days for Bitcoin. And we know what will happen with altcoins if this is the case. Okay, yeah, you say it's fine now. So let's get to I'm gonna give you guys some. I'm gonna share with you guys some coins that I think is gonna blow. I've been buying these coins like crazy. I'm gonna share with you guys coins that I've already got to their bottom and coins that are about to pump. Now let's get to crypto bubbles. Let's see. Let's analyze first on crypto bubbles. Let's see which coins are doing well today against Bitcoin. But before we even do that, let's just look at the weekly time frame to see which coins have been hit heavily by this huge downward trend for Bitcoin. For the top 100 coins, you can see OP is down 30%, guys. Almost everything is down. But let's look at coins that are really doing this Bitcoin pump. Like San was doing well, Bong was doing well, OP was doing well, Argo was doing well, Sale was doing well, Near was doing well, but Near is not down that much. Filecoin was doing well, ARB was doing well, QNT was doing well as well. Like many of them, ICP was doing well too. So if you go to the top trader coins, you're gonna see as well that there are some coins that have been doing well. What was doing well during the Bitcoin pump, and now doing this pullback, they have taken a hit, and maybe we can start looking at possibility to buy them. Even Audi is down 26% for the week, and if you look at the month, we're gonna see that there are some coins that have been doing well against Bitcoin. So that's why it's good if say you buy certain altcoins and you make out some profit, cash it out and get into Bitcoin. And if say you want to learn more about this, hop to the description of this video, be part of my VIP or join my complete education for beginners, where I take you one-on-one to analyze, to help you analyze how to help you, to educate you on how to analyze the market. Yeah, so yeah, help you analyze, help you educate. So it's the same thing. Just help you be able to analyze the market in a way that will help you long term. Like in a in doing deep like this, you'll be able to get out easily and get in back easily. Okay, so let's dive into this chart of Bitcoin. Let's see what the bad this bad boy is doing here at this point in time. Let me go to the chart of Bitcoin. um and I'm going to show you guys. Let me see, first of all, let me go to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin hits about $92,000, and the reason why mentioned maybe we have seen the bottom is because of this vector candles here, this green, this blue vector candle that you see, yeah, 1 2. So this is what we should be looking at. Whenever you see a move like this, on the higher time frame. This is, by the way, this is the 1 hour time frame, but let's begin with the 4 hours time frame. Let's see the structure of on the 4 hours time frame. Remember, in my previous video yesterday, I mentioned something about key levels where Bitcoin can get to, and I mentioned that Bitcoin can go right down to 90K if that's the case, and if Bitcoin gets to 90K, then all coins are going to take a huge dip. Now, the reason I mentioned that this should be the dip, the end of the dip for now, at least for now, not like the end per se, the end, but for now, is because of these key levels that price rejected when price was going to the upside. So you see, this is the first key level. Let me take off this. Let me bring in this instead. So this was the area that price reject before. This one price reject, yeah, price reject, yeah. So price also reject, yeah, 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 yeah. So in general, these zones are gonna be key areas for price to trade, or to cool down this zone from here, from this zone to the top. So this is the area that price should cool down a little bit before we should expect the next movement to the downside or to the upside, or we should see what price might do next. Okay, but why is this important? This is important because price traded around this area multiple times in the past. So it's but normal to say price is going to cool down, yeah, then attempt to go and make higher highs. That's when maybe if say it gets to where the alpha trend created this sell signal, if the price is not able to break and, and close above where this alpha trend, this sell signal from the alpha trend, then that's when we should be thinking of price going even further down around 80K. Or let's see, where is the next zone. This is the next zone here, and guys, pay attention to these key areas. Okay, at one point price is going to get there, so you want to be looking at these key areas to help you analyze your altcoins, to help you know when to get out from your altcoins and when to stay in your altcoins. So if you will see price stay around this key area, yeah, like let me see what let me just try and zoom this a little bit so I can show you guys more clearer. So this should be where we should expect the reversal. Like this huge move here. At least we want to see price break above. Let me just bring in the volume profile first, to help us do this. So I'm gonna go to a different chart to do this with the volume profile. So let's just go to a different chart. So we do this with the volume profile. That chart is a little bit let me see if this is the chart I want. Okay, yeah. So let's go back to Bitcoin. um this dominance went right up to 60%. Wow, look at these guys. Let me see, guys. I want to first of all look at something on dominance. Dominance get back into this zone, so it went back to 60%. But I want to show you guys also some stuff on dominance that will help you see where the market is going to. So let's get back to Bitcoin. Let's analyze Bitcoin first to see what might happen before we get to the next area. All right, so let's get back to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see. Okay, now for us to expect the next move, we must see price, do something like this. Price should do something like this. Do go up, come down, hold, form something like W, then break this structure here above, then come back and hold. Price must hold this key area here. At least we don't want to see price go below and close below. No, price must stay above this range. Okay, when you see price reject this zone, that's going to be around $92,000 for Bitcoin. If you see price keep rejecting this zone multiple times, it's going to happen multiple times. Then note that the target is going to be around this $106,000 for Bitcoin. So this is going to be around where the alpha trend printed its sell signal. Yeah, but again, the reason why I won't wait until price get to that zone is because of this other zone here. You can see this is a key area where price rejected multiple times when price was going up and when price breaks structure here, and there's a vector candle here. So I think the pullback should get right up to this area, yeah, before we expect the next dump to the next dump. Now, if we go to the heat map, you can see that this is somehow okay, because if we make that huge move to the upside, the price might take us around 105 5k. So if we go now to the price, this could be around this that 105k, yeah, around that 105k. So if say price get there, is okay. But for me to confirm that we are bullish back for Bitcoin, or maybe Bitcoin might get to $112,000, Bitcoin must do something like this. We must see price react this way. Let me mark the key zones for you. Price must break above this zone, come back here, hold this zone, then move sideways. Price must be above 102k. That's just what I want to say. It must be above 102k, before we should expect the 112k for Bitcoin. So this is how you should look at the market. Now, I want to show you guys more chart so we can see where we are. But let's look at the Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Let's see if say we are still in structure. Yeah, we are still in structure on the daily time frame, but we have closed below the alpha trend, which is not good. Okay, so this zone here, as I mentioned, should be the key area that price should this area here should be the key area for price to trade, around. So if price is gonna break this key area, then the target is this around $85,000 for Bitcoin. And I think if say we break below this $85,000 for Bitcoin, we're gonna go straight to around 70k for Bitcoin, or 73k, or like around the 70k. But I think it's gonna be right around 70k for Bitcoin. So this is crucial for altcoin. Now, why is this crucial for altcoin? Let's go to total tree. These are all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. These are all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And this target I mentioned yesterday that we might hit this target, and we did hit this target. But what happened? Frame post. But I think I'm back live now again. So okay. So this is the zone where I'm looking at for for total tree to reverse to. So this is a key area. So I want to see total tree do something like this, reverse from here to this upside. At least this is where we should start thinking of selling some of your altcoins, I think. So if say we see multiple rejection here, it means they want to target that previous low here. So guys, be careful with your altcoins, because we have already seen break of this structure for the daily time frame. So I want to see this candle close above this range. So if this candle close above this range, then we're gonna still be bullish for total trade. So this is the range that I want to see price stay above this range here. Price should stay above this range for us to be bullish for total trade. Now, looking at total 2, it should be similar. Yes, it should be similar. You can see the same thing is playing out here, and it has bounced from this key level. So we want to see price stay above this zone, at least move sideways until we see the next break to the upside. And if we look at other cryptocurrency, that is all cryptocurrency excluding the top 10, you can see that it's still at the same zone. Like they are all playing out the same in the same way, which is good. Okay, and we want to see price stay above these key areas before we can really confirm that we are back in an uptrend. So this daily candle should be an important daily candle to mark the next phase of this move to the upside. I think from tomorrow or this evening we're going to see huge spike to the upside. This should happen because we have seen a huge downside for altcoins. So at least the market should breathe a little bit, or let the bulls relax a little bit, and get in control at least somehow. Now, looking at these other metrics, which is USDT dominance, is cool to see that it's rejecting here, which is awesome. I don't want to see it break this zone. Like I want to see it stay where it is. I want to see it reject this key area. Yeah. So USDT dominance should reject this key area because I want to see more downside for USDT. But maybe we might see USDT pump more. And if this is the case, then guys, it's not good for altcoins and Bitcoin. We might see Bitcoin dip more if USDT dominance keep increasing in value. But I was thinking maybe we can hit about 5% for USDT dominance before the next move to the downside. So this is what I'm looking at for USDT dominance. Now, talking about some altcoins that I am looking at this point in time is this first one, which is Awi. I think Awi, we have seen the bottom of Awi. Awi went right down to $14, 14.30. And I've been buying. I bought right around 15 until this vector candle appeared here on the 1 hour time frame. So what should happen here with Awi is price should at least get here to around 17K, then reverse back to half of this vector candle, and at least we should start looking at possible buy from there. Okay, so what price can do for now is still this. Price can break this structure here, come back here, hold, move sideways a little bit before we see the next pump to the upside. So guys, comment your coin below if say you want to chart it. But I'm gonna look at this one, Audi. Audi also is looking so good. Audi went right down to $23, and look at the upside for Audi. Guys, this is bogus. This is amazing, to see how far price can go from where we are right now. So all these should be at the bottom. Why? Because of this rejection here. So this daily candle close is very important. I want to see it close above this, around this range here. I don't want to see it close below. So this is really an amazing opportunity to buy Audi, and also the reason why I think Audi is good for now is because of where we are on the daily time frame for the alpha for the trendy low is around the oversold area, and it's around -3, which is that zone where we should start looking at reversal for any coin that gets to that that zone. So that is one opportunity. And another opportunity is ApeCoin. ApeCoin has gotten to a key area and has bounced from this zone here around like this should be around the let's say the 20-day moving average, which is awesome. And when you see price do something like this on the higher time frame, and you see also what price have done in the past, like we have multiple volume here, so it was but normal to say ApeCoin is gonna reverse from that area. So if you want to buy ApeCoin, now is not the time to buy it, or in either of these coins. If you don't have experience, you don't have to buy it now, because you must allow price to play out the year to confirm that price want to hold here. For me, I'm different because I know what I'm doing, and I've been doing this for a long time now, so I know what I'm doing. And if say you want to learn the same skills, then feel free to join my community, and I want to help you learn all of this stuff. Now, if you have some coins, guys, share with me. Let me chat the coins right now. I can see you guys are watching me from X. Can see you guys are watching me. Let me see. I don't know if say I'm able to get comment from X. If you are watching me from X, you can comment. Let me see if say let me see if say you can I can see your comment from X. By the way, if say you want to follow me on X, this is my X at the BETONG. So follow me on X. That's gonna be awesome. I shared some stuff today on my X, and I said this. Let me go scroll down a little bit. I said the liquidity heat map on the 3-day time frame shows Bitcoin is about to reverse back up and it can hit 112K. So I tweeted this before going to my Telegram group. So you can be part of my X platform, the name the BETONG. Get there and let's see what we can do. And this is the live stream. So those of you who are live with me right now, comment below. Let me see if you guys have commented anything on X. I can see 9 people watching me on X right now. If there are no comments there, then it's fine. Um, but let's dive back to some other coins that I want us to look at right now, like Migo. Let's see what is happening with Migo. Migo has been down like crazy today, but let's look at Migo on the weekly time frame. Let's see where we are right now. Oh boy, we came back to this bottom zone here. So because we rejected from this zone multiple times in the past, even here we did rejected from here in the past. So I think this should be reversing from here at least. We should see Miro move about, let me see how many percent from here to the next this area, about 58%. So it can move about 58% or 60% from where we are right now. You can do that this weekend. Okay, but this is the key area for Miro that I'm gonna be looking at for it to break. So these zones here, this zone, it is an area where I'm looking for, well, I'm gonna expect Migo to trade above before maybe I would say we are back in an uptrend for Migo. But if say price stay below this zone, then it's not gonna be good for Migo. Let's look quickly at Boomer, Book of Memes. The same thing is playing out here with Book of Memes, Boomer. So I wanna see it stay above this range here. And let me draw the range. I wanna see price stay above this range. If price stay above this range, then we are going to be back like bullish for Boomer. And let's say how many percent we can move to the upside to get to that key area where maybe we can cash out some profit or sell some of our back. Let's see how many percent from where we are. I'm looking at around 40% or 38% to the upside. So guys, this is something which can happen like instantly. It can happen anytime. Okay, so if you have some coins right now, share them. This is the time to share your coins. I cannot see your comments. If say you are watching me, you have some coins you want me to look at, you should share the coins right now. This is the moment for you to share your coins. I'm waiting for your coins. Share them with me. But if say you don't have any coins to share with me, I'm not gonna keep looking at some coins while we um look at more coins. Let's see which one here that I ARB. Let's see ARB where we are for ARB. ARB on the daily time frame. Let's see. ARB now has gotten to that zone where I would have been buying, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. I was expecting this to bounce from here. I was expecting this to bounce from here, and this should be the first downward trend for ARB. Let's say first, second, we need to see the third. The third should take it right around 60 cent. So I think this coin can go to 60 cents. So I'm gonna be patient to see how this move is gonna play out before the next target to the upside. Dot also is looking somehow great. I think it has bounced around the same area where the other coin bounced. No, not yet. So I'm gonna wait for it to bounce from this area around 5.6. That's gonna be a pretty damn good zone to buy. Why? Because price have rejected here multiple times. So I think this one is gonna be a good one. Price is getting into this range here, and guys, you wanna take advantage of that. But the Trendillo is not yet at the oversold, so I'm gonna be patient a little bit to wait for this move to complete to the downside. And if I see multiple rejection from here, then I can grab some dots. So let's see. Tau also is looking somehow bullish. This key area here for Tau Bitensor, and I think maybe if say price keep rejecting this zone for Tau, then maybe we can see Tau go to attack the next high. But I love the volume here. The volume here is consistent, it's awesome. And if we look at the weekly time frame, you're gonna see that Tau is sitting at a key support zone, and this might be the next target. This previous high here around $700 for Tau. So look at where we are. This is gonna be amazing gains, like about $300. So if you buy Tau, I think Tau can get to about $10,000 someday. Yeah, this coin. And they are in the same category, or Tau is in the same category as ARO, ICP and so on. So you can choose which one you want to buy, ICP, but I am going to be choosing ARO, AOE, and Tau, because yeah, they seem like to be like those newbie in the space. Yeah. So this is another coin which was launched recently. Vana is I think it's an AI coin. I made some profit from it, but I think Vana is about to reverse, or is reversing now. So you can look at this coin. It's a new coin, and I've seen this vector candle printed here. So this coin should be bullish soon. It's already up 18%, so we should expect it to go up more and I think that should be the case. It's an AI coin. It was launched recently, and this movement to the downside has been creating higher highs here until now. We are seeing this huge move to the upside. So I think maybe this coin want to break structure, and if that's the case, then it's gonna be huge upside for Vana. You know. So I don't know. Let's see. Coty also looks good. Let's look at Coty on the daily time frame. Yeah, Coty looks good because it has attacked this key area. Yeah, rejected it. Which is awesome. Yeah, Coty is a like buy around this zone. Yeah, so if say Coty keep playing around this zone, yeah, then this should be a buy. Yeah, yeah, and I think this is an opportunity because look at this upward trend. It breaks structure before, yeah, and it has come back to retest this structure again, but we don't want to see price close below here. Price should stay where it is. So I think we are onto something, guys. Soon the market is gonna reverse, and we are back to key areas where the market left. So if say you didn't catch out profit, at least you should be blamed, or you have yourself to be blamed. Which other coin here that I haven't mentioned? Great. Looks great. Looks great. Vra also, let's see, Vra looks great as well, guys. All of these coins, they look great. Let's look at Prime. Prime looks great too. After this pump, make higher highs from this high, first high, second high, retracement back to this area, key area. So Prime looks somehow bullish. Let's see Aerodrome. Aerodrome also, let's see if say yeah, Aerodrome looks not yet. It's not yet there. Let's wait a little bit for Aerodrome to play out. QNT, let's see. Are you there? QNT is not yet there, but this should be a key area for QNT, this zone here. So you want to pay attention to this zone for QNT. If you say it break, then it's not good. It might take price right down to about around 68 dollars for that coin. Now let's see core as well. Core looks bullish, retesting structure. BNB, let's see what's going on there with BNB. BNB also look bullish. Floki Inu, let's see. Floki Inu, yeah, the same thing. You can see price has retested this structure here. It's and rejected. So we want to see price stay above this range to give us a confirmation. Let's see what's going on with Chepley. The same thing, reversal, and now TROB. Oh, Solana is actually awesome. It bounced from this zone as well, and it's a buy opportunity for Solana. Yeah. Um, I can see your coins are coming. Let me check PopCat. PopCat. Let's see what is going on with the PopCat. Let's see. By the way, DGen also looks great. I'm gonna look at Baby Dogecoin in a while as well. DJ, by the way, DJ looks great. Look at this. It was down 13%. On let's see, it's loading. Let's see what's going on here with DJ. Oh boy, DJ looks so great, guys. It looks so great. It is back here where structure was broken. this is the beauty about TA. When price always breaks structure, price come back to retest structure. So this is move broad region here, and price have retest structure. Let's look at bread quickly. Bread also looks somehow great. You know, um, is down. Bread was down 16%, but look at this dip. But I think we are at a key area where we should expect reversal for bread. At least to around this 1.6 billion. We are now at 1.2 billion after going to 2.2 billion or almost 2.4 billion for bread. Bread looks so great. Toshi too look great. This is Toshi. Let's see what's going on with Toshi. Yeah, it looks great, guys. All of these coins, it looks great for their pullbacks. They are still in structure, at key levels. And if say Bitcoin is gonna reverse from based on our analysis, then we wanna see this coin reverse as well. Which one again? Let's see. Mock. Let's see Mock. Mock also is doing so well. It retraced 13%, I think more than 13%, and it came back to these key levels here that I have been talking about, this golden pocket. So that's gonna be awesome if say we see multiple rejection from this key area here for more coin. So let's see what's going on with some Solana meme coins like Popcat, Peanuts. Let's see. We'll already look at Boomer. Let's see Popcat. What's going on with Popcat? By the way, I'm not investing in peanuts, so I don't want to look at peanut, except you guys want me to look at peanut. Oh boy, Popcat just hit that target that I was talking about in the past. I've talked about Popcat that I'm gonna wait until it get to this my trend line. Yeah, guy, I drew this trend line a long time ago, and I missed this pump to the upside, and I said to myself, I want to be patient enough to wait for price to get to my key areas, and price have gotten to my key area. That's the beauty of TA. If you are patient, you're gonna catch the next pump to the upside. And I think this zone where price rejected in the past, we're gonna see some rejection here as well in the past. But we're gonna see multiple confirmation around this zone to be able to um, get in. So I want to see price at least trade around this area multiple times. Stay above this zone, or it can break up below, then come back and help this key area here before maybe I'm gonna be looking at possibilities to get more Popcat. So Popcat looks good for now. If say you are that guy who is DCAing Popcat, then you can buy the shit of like the shit of this coin. The hell of this coin. The hell of the shit of this coin. You know what I mean to say? It means you can buy Popcat right now. By the way, guys, if you're still watching me and you are struggling, if you have been struggling with your buy, sell, take profit, you don't know when to buy, take profit. If you have been struggling, your portfolio have been down, 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 you have been losing money, then now is the time for you to do something different. Join my VIP group. Let me share with you my buy and sell alert so that you can make some money in the future. You pay for my complete education session where I take you one on one. I educate you TA, swing trading, how to swing trade, exactly what I do here on a daily basis. I want to share it with you so that you can build your journey and equip yourself in a way that when you look at any chart, you'll be able to know at least buy at a real decent key areas, even though we cannot really catch the move, but TA can help you buy at certain key levels. And this is what I want to share with you. I mean, for those of you who actually you are struggling with TA, don't focus on making money. Trust me, don't focus on, of course, everyone wants to make money. But if you focus to make that money, that like buy coins without you understanding what it's all about or when is the right time to buy, then you're gonna find yourself losing so much money that you would have used to educate yourself. So don't play that game of greed. Don't be greedy with your own self. At least think of the future. That if say you educate yourself right now, and we have like the next 3 to 4 years for the bull market, you still have some time. You can take 3 months and educate yourself. I offer 3 months education one on one to help you understand what I teach here. So you should take this serious. And I still have promotion going on from January. That session is going to cost from $500 above. Now you can pay for 3 months. You can pay just $220 for 3 months alone. But after, or let's say the beginning of next year, it's gonna cost from $500. Okay, that's it. And for my VIP community, it's gonna cost from $50 and above. So take advantage of that right now. So let's get back to the analysis. By the way, the links are found below this video. Go there, join my free Telegram group, and you can ask me that you want to be part of my VIP or you want to take my complete education. So let's see. Anna, I see someone is requesting me to do analysis on Anna. So let's see. Anna, it's on Binance, by the way. So Um, I'm not gonna go for this coin. Like, if say you are holding this coin and you have seen what is going on with the market, then sell the coin. Well, I would say sell at least some of it. Why? Because structure has been broken already, and it shows that ENA is gonna keep going down, 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 down. Now, for us to confirm the target, let me see because this coin has been in an in a constant uptrend for some time now. So if this daily candle close below the alpha trend, because we see, let me before I say that, let me just first of all mark this key area here. You see, ENA has rejected from this zone here, this key area, you know, and this zone was a key area when price was moving to the upside. After price get here, we saw how price rejected here multiple times, one, two, three, four times, and now we are looking at price back at that area where price rejected. So again, if we zoom out or zoom in, you're gonna see that when price was around this key area here, again this other zone here, price rejected this zone here multiple times. So there's also is minor before it was support, now it is resistance, so if we see ENA keep doing this, or the candle close below that line, this zone here, if you see it close below this zone here, then it's not a good sign for the coin. We might start thinking of you might start thinking of selling because it can move a little bit like this, then dump to this zone here. And I think that's the key area where it's going. And let's confirm this by bringing in the FIP2 at least. Let's first of all take it from here, from this zone to the top of that movement. Yeah, this should be the key area. At least a little bit downward around the 0.382 zone for ENA. But for us to get the proper target for this downward trend, because price hasn't yet broken structure in every direction. During this uptrend, you see price made this high retrace, made this high retrace, made this high retrace. So price haven't yet broken any key structure for this coin on the daily time frame. So it's still bullish. That's why I have to bring in the fib from where the move started, yeah, to give us the proper target. And this is exactly what I've been talking about. They're gonna bring price here at this 0.65 zone for ENA. And this is going to be in corresponding to the 0.382 zone. And after that, they're going to bring price again right down here around the zero point 0.5 zone, which is going to be around 0.511 price point. So this should be the key area where you can buy back again this coin. I'm looking at this zone here from year to year. So if you see price here for ENA, then that's when you want to start thinking of buy. Another key zone is this one down here, this zone here. So you want to pay attention to these key areas. And if I bring in the volume profile and mark it from where we are right now, let's say from the bottom then to the top of this move, let's see if say this is correct. Yeah, it's correct, it's accurate. You can see the value area high is around here, and the value area low is here, and the value area low is around here. So these key zones are zones you should be looking at, buying more ENA if say you want DCA, so I think that should be good for that for ENA. If you apply this, you should be good. And again, if say you want to learn all of this what I do, then make sure you go to the description of this video and take my complete one-on-one analysis course. Let's see. Syrup. Another coin is here. Jito. Jupe coin. Okay, Jupe coin. Let's see. Jupe. Jito. Quickly. Let me see, guys. I can just look at the chart and determine what is going on there. I think. Okay, let me stay with this chart. I think it's gonna give me more confidence of what is going on in the market. Let's see. Not this one. I think this chart is gonna be the one I want to. Yeah, this one. So let's go to Jito. See what's going on there with Jito. Yeah, Jito has bounced from a key area, but you should wait a little bit for price to play. I mean, the same analysis that I gave with the other coins is playing out with every coin here. We should wait to see a little bit pullback, and the pullback for Jito is gonna be around this key area. So for us to be bullish, it must break this zone here, and trade above at least. For us to start thinking of maybe it might break and go right up to $5, for Jito. So let's look at the next coin quickly. Which one is the next coin? Let's see. Um, DYDX, DYDX, DYDX. Let's see. Okay? Yeah, this coin also is doing the same thing after this huge pump to the upside. We trace back to key levels. It has to bounce from here, but again, don't just buy like that. And the Trendilo is showing oversold. You can see, so we want to see multiple rejection here. Then the next target should be, if say this coin has to reverse, let's see where it should reverse to. Let me just bring in the flip tool from the top to the bottom of this move here. So we are looking at this zone here to be the target if say we're gonna see major retracement here. So you can cash out some profit here while you wait for price to play out more for Jito. So look at this around $2, $2.2, or you can cash it before there. I just say around $2. You can cash out some profit there, or you sell at a loss. It's okay, to sell at a loss because you know that from here price must reject. Then if price is not able to come and make lower lows, then you can buy now and take the next ride to make higher highs. So that's just how the market works. So let's look at the next coin. How much time have I been live here? I don't know. Let me see. Syrup, quantum. Let's see. Syrup. This is the right coin. Syrup token is down, like back to bottom. Am I on the right coin? Am I on the right chart? This is the right coin. I don't know if it's the right coin. Let me know. You know. Um. Yeah, I think it should be the right coin. Syrup. But I mean, guys, there's not much data about this coin, so I cannot say more by yeah, I cannot say more about this coin. Only the fact that we have seen multiple rejection here. One, two, three, four, five. So this should reject as well. That's just what I think might happen. Now, talking of quantum. Let's see. Is it quantum? Let me check. Q Q T U M Q T U M. Yeah, the same thing is playing out here with quantum. That's why I mentioned in my video that I think we have gotten to the end of this dump. At least price should hold. If price is not able to hold here, guys, then it's not good. It's not going to be good for altcoins. It might dump right down more. And this is also in confluence with what I just showed you guys on the total 3 and total 2. So we want to see price stay in around those ranges before we can be confident enough to take the next ride to the upside. So yeah, everything looks pretty awesome. I love what I'm seeing here. um is it right coin? Okay, yeah, it's the right coin. So I think I've charted most of your coins already, and yeah, that's the beauty. When you come to my live stream, I'm gonna charge your coins. I'm gonna do your analysis on your coin, and if say you want me to do it anytime you want, you like if you just look at a coin and you want to look at it, then join my VIP community. If you join my VIP community, then I'm gonna be able to share that with you. Okay. um all right, guys, I think I've come to the end of today's video. Yeah, nothing much to say apart from what I just mentioned to you guys. So that has it for today's video. Those of you who managed to join, at least you have learned something. But I haven't seen you guys give me that much likes. Like this content to help it reach out to more people. Comment below, show some love. Let's reach out to more people so they can see and learn from my content, and share it with your friends if say you want them to learn something as well. And if say you want to take your journey to the next level again, take that one-on-one session. Now it costs just $220. From January, it's gonna cost $500 for 3 months. And if you wanna pay monthly, it's gonna cost you $200. For now, you can pay monthly $110. For 3 months, you can pay $210. And if say you wanna pay for a year, then call me and let's talk. Okay. Um, I'm not gonna do okay, since Raha is the one asking, then I have to do it. If Raha Fatima is the one asking me to do Pi, then I'm gonna do it because she is the boss. She's my boss. Let's see. Anything for Raha. Let's see. Yeah, Raha is the same thing. Pi looks somehow great. The same thing. If say you want to buy DCA more, I think you should buy more. Yeah, it's safe to buy more now. Okay, then you can wait to buy more again because if say price break this zone, yeah, then price gonna retest it. That's where you can sell more. Or get out from your position. But for now, I think that Pi looks good after this huge move to the upside. You can see, guys. I mean, I don't see a reason why most of you are feeling so bad. Okay, look at this coin. It break this structure after a huge downward trend. Look at this, guys. It break this structure. Yeah, you see, this structure was broken. So what do you expect it to do afterward? At least retest the structure. That's how price move. You don't expect price to just go up straight like that. This is not your father's market or your family market. This is for everyone. The bulls and the bears, they must enjoy. I'm doing this coin without even showing my screen. So let me just share my screen. Sorry, I was sharing. I was even talking without sharing my screen. So this is the key area I was talking about. Pi break this key zone after this downward trend, you can see, and it breaks structure. And what I do mention always on my channel, if price breaks structure, it must come to retest structure. The first time you can see here, it break this structure, retest it, it make more higher highs here, it retest it, yeah, and we are back at this key area where the major move started. So I would say, if say you bought here before, why not buy it now? Don't be scared because the market have done. No, look at the higher time frame to see where you are in the market. This is the advantage of TA, because you can look at your chart and see where price is and what price is doing, because price represent investors behavior or traders behavior. This is important, so you apply it to whatever thing you're trading. So that's that for you. I was about to end the stream, but you mentioned Pi, and I had to do Pi for you. I would anything for you because you are the boss. Okay. All right, guys. Have a nice day and take care of yourself. Ciao. Love you all. See you guys same time. I think maybe I should be live. I should go live same time every day except weekends. I don't know. If you guys want me to go live this time of the day, like I'm in Sweden. So in Sweden it's from 3 a.m. I think 3 p.m. From 3 p.m. I can be live. If see that's what you guys want, then I think I can do that. But from 4 p.m., like in 6 minutes time, the market is gonna make a huge move to either direction, either to the upside or downside. So be prepared for that. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Ciao. Take care of yourself. Love you all. Oh, ciao.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the